This stick channel is absolutely amazing. Now, if you look at the videos, some videos have thousands of views, and some videos have millions of views. On this channel, there is a character that talks about good and bad things like fragrance, fumes, and similar topics. It discusses both old and new concepts. If we talk about the subscribers of this channel, it has 40.1K subscribers with only 15 videos, which is extremely impressive. If we talk about the earnings of this channel, according to Social Blade, this channel is earning at least 1.6K, even though it uploads very few videos, due to which the earnings are lower. The estimated earning can go up to 12K dar. Guys, the video you are watching on the screen is made using a free AI tool.
You don't know why, but something feels off.
You start questioning yourself.
The truth? Sometimes it's your fragrance.
Cheap fake perfumes don't just fail, they ruin impressions.
Real fragrance is not just smell, it's identity.
With the help of this tool, both images and videos have been generated. So guys, today we are going to create a video in the same style. Do not skip this video. I am telling you in advance, if you skip the video, you will not be able to complete the process. Today we are going to make a video in the exact same style. Let's start the video. Guys, first of all, you already know that I provide a master prompt for you. So I have prepared this master prompt, which includes a fragrance-related story, sticky channel style, character rules, important guidelines, main character details, story themes, along with 10 image prompts and 10 video prompts. Simply copy this. The link is in the description. Then go to ChatGPT, open it, paste the prompt, and click on Generate. As soon as you click on Generate, ChatGPT will first create the story, then it will provide 10 image prompts with consistent characters, and after that it will generate 10 video prompts. So guys, in the next video, I will show you how to generate consistent images. That's why I'm saying again, do not skip the video, otherwise you will not understand the full process of generation. Today, the tool we are going to use for image generation is called Flow AI. This is a Google tool. It is very simple. Just click on Start Now and log in. Logging in is necessary because it allows you to use Nano Banana, and Nano Banana is free to use. Today, we will generate images using Nano Banana Pro. You just need to select the ratio, which is 9:16, then select the model as Nano Banana Pro, and choose image generation. After that, go to the channel and take a screenshot of the character used in the channel. Then click on the plus icon, where you will see the upload option. Upload that screenshot as a reference image. Then go to ChatGPT, copy the first image prompt, and come back to Flow AI. Paste the prompt into the prompt box, and simply click on Generate. Your first image generation will start, and within a few moments, your image will be ready. Next, we will generate all images in the same way, one by one. I will guide you further on how to generate them consistently. Now, as you can see, the first image has been generated. Next, again, click on the plus icon and use the first generated image as a reference. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, come back, paste it, and click on Generate. In the same way, I repeat the process for all images. I only paste the prompt, add the reference image, and click on Generate. As you can see, all my images have started generating. Within a short time, all your images will be ready. After that, we will move towards video generation. You might need to wait a little. As you can see, the images are being generated one by one. This tool works very fast. Flow AI is going to be one of the best tools for you. Now, as you can see, all the images are ready. They look very professional. It has generated a fragrance and perfume-based story with a very colorful and clean character design, wearing a red t-shirt and black pants, exactly like the channel style. The result looks amazing. Now simply download all the images. I will download them now. Now let's move to the next step, which is video generation. Let's start video generation. So guys, the tool we are going to use today for video generation is called Digen AI. I will provide the link in the description. You just have to open it, and after opening, you need to log in. As you can see on the screen, I currently have 650 credits available for free. You can also see that this is my free account. I have not done any upgrade or paid anything. It is completely free. If you create a new account daily, your credits keep increasing daily, they do not decrease. So guys, here you will find the model called RealMotion 3.1 Turbo. This is a new model, and it also includes audio, along with some improvements. You will also find other models here like Sora 2, Sora 2 Max, and Google Veo 3.1, which are very popular models, but those are paid. First of all, after logging in, go to Upload and upload your first image. As you can see, I have uploaded the first image. Now simply go to ChatGPT, copy the first video prompt, and then come back to Digen AI and paste it here. Keep the duration on auto and select the ratio either 16.9 or 9:16 depending on your preference. Then simply click on Generate. Now your first video will start generating. Let me tell you one thing. This AI usually takes around 2 to 3 minutes to generate a video, but it gives you a completely free video. Since this is a free tool, it uses credits. If the video is generated, it will consume credits, but if the video is not generated, your credits will automatically be returned. Also, this tool usually takes around 25 to 30 credits to generate a 5-second video, which is very professional. As you can see, our first video has started generating. Now I will start generating the second one as well. I upload the second image, then go to ChatGPT, copy the prompt, paste it here, and click on Generate. As you can see, the second video has also started generating. Now let me explain the third one. When you upload the third image and paste the prompt after clicking Generate, you will see a message. You have 2 generation tasks in process. Please submit a new task later. This means the tool only generates 2 videos at a time. So guys, as you can see, our first video is now ready. Let's preview it. You can see how amazing and professional it looks, exactly like the example shown at the start, and it even includes voiceover. Now I generate the next video. The third one is now in process. As you can see, within a short time, the second and third videos are also ready. Let's preview them. You can see how amazing and professional they look. The visuals are beautiful, and everything looks very clean and consistent. The character design and style are exactly the same as we wanted. This is a very professional tool, and it is completely free. Now again, I upload the next image. I generate 2 videos again by pasting the prompts and clicking Generate. As you can see, the videos are being generated and will be ready shortly. Now you can see the video is ready. It looks very professional and beautiful. You just have to follow the same process for all videos. There is nothing difficult in this. So guys, your video generation is happening in front of you. I showed you a channel at the beginning. You need to create a similar type of channel but with a different name. Choose a colorful character like the one I used. I will provide the prompt in the description so you can easily generate it. Then you need to upload daily, 1 to 2 shorts. Within 1 month, you will get very close to earning. And as your channel grows, your earnings will increase. So guys, today we learned how to generate images and videos using free AI tools. If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And if you want a video on any image tool or any other AI tool, make sure to comment, and we will create a video on that as well. Thank you.